It's absolutely delicious, yummy falafel.
Hi everyone, this is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make two chickpea recipes. The first one is very crunchy and very delicious, that is falafel recipe, and the other one is the dip, which is made up from chickpeas. You're right, that is hummus. So let's get started and see the recipe.
So here I have overnight soaked chickpeas, which is 2 cups. You can soak the chickpeas overnight or soak for at least 8 to 12 hours. Make sure when you soak the chickpeas a day before in a large bowl, cover them with 2 to 3 inches of water, as chickpeas will almost triple in size, as you want pretty plenty of water in a bowl. Now we need to wash them again for at least 2 to 3 times and then draining. Now take the food processor and add the cilantro leaves, 1 cup. Parsley leaves, 1 cup. Is optional. If you have the parsley leaves, you can add. Chopped garlic cloves. I've taken 5 cloves and fine chopped it. Now take the chopped onions, 1 cup. Chopped green chilies, so 2 to 3 green chilies is fine. You can add lemon juice as well, as like 1 tablespoon is fine. Now pulse it for 1 minute. Now add the washed and drained chickpeas in the food processor. Now add salt, half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, half teaspoon. Red pepper, half teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Like half to 1 teaspoon is fine. Baking powder, 2 teaspoon. Coriander powder, half to 1 teaspoon is fine. Now pulse it again until smooth but crumbly. Mixture I want. Now you can see the falafel mixture is ready and it's nice crumbly mixture. Now transfer it to a bowl and now add the breadcrumbs. 4 to 6 tablespoons is fine. So this is, I have breadcrumbs from 4 breads. Now mix it until combined. So now cover the bowl with plastic sheet and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour, just to cool down. So now let's make the falafel balls. So I'm making a round big size ball, but you are free to make any kind of shape, like a patty shape, a round shape, or heart shape from that mixture. It's completely on your choice. So falafel, usually I like the round in shape, but I have eaten somewhere it's like a patty shape as well. And you can, put in the pita bread or in between, and with some veggies and everything. So you can, it's delicious. So I have made 20 balls from the mixture, and now I'm gonna refrigerate these falafel balls for about 10 to 20 minutes so that it keeps the shape while frying. Here I have the oil hot and ready, and I'm going to drop them in and deep fry them in medium flame. It will take up to 3 to 4 minutes to have a nice golden color. Here you can see the falafel balls are looking great, isn't it? Perfect in color and shape as well. So now, time to take them out. Falafels are ready and they are looking good. Serve with a pita bread with salad and tahini sauce. So here I have overnight soaked chickpeas, which is 1 cup. You can soak the chickpeas overnight or soak for at least 8 to 12 hours. Make sure when you soak the chickpeas a day before, the water should be more because chickpeas will almost triple in size. So now we need to wash them again for at least 2 to 3 times and then drain it nicely. Now add the chickpeas into the pressure cooker and add the water to boil. And baking soda, half teaspoon, is optional. So now cover it and cook it for 3 to 4 whistles on medium flame. So after 4 whistles, let's check the chickpeas. See, I think it's ready. See? So now add the cooked chickpeas in the food processor and we would like to grind it, yes. Look at the texture. Now here I have this icing tray. What we need to do is freeze some of the water we cooked the chickpeas in. So this actually gives hummus a nice flavor. Now hummus has cooled down, so add the rest of the ingredients now. So add olive oil 2 tablespoons, chopped garlic cloves 5 to 6, lemon juice 5 tablespoons, tahini sauce 6 tablespoons. So this is the homemade tahini sauce. This recipe, if you want to learn this recipe, so how to cook tahini sauce, is coming out soon in my vlog, so stay connected. Now salt half to 1 teaspoon. So here I have this iced chickpeas water ready. So add the iced chickpeas water into the mixture. The method makes the hummus better in taste, or you can also use the regular ice or some water in it. The ice makes the hummus brighter in color. That's why we use the ice. Now you can see the hummus look absolutely creamy and delicious. This is ready to serve. So transfer into a beautiful serving bowl and decorate it with a sprinkle of cumin powder or paprika. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some chopped garlic on the top, some chickpeas, boiled chickpeas on the top, some more cumin powder. So hummus is ready. You can enjoy this with pita bread and with some chips. Enjoy!
So there we go. This is super crunchy and lovely falafel with the tasty and creamy hummus. So friends, if you like this recipe, like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. It's me, Nancy Verma. Bye bye and see you next time with more yummy lovely recipes. Bye bye.